Hi, I'm Dr. Holly Ramey, Department Chair of Life Sciences at Forsyth Technical Community College.
And I'm Stacy Johnson. I'm the chemistry instructor at Western Piedmont Community College. I'm also a member of the board, the Undergraduate Research Curriculum Development Project. The Undergraduate Research Curriculum Development Project has created a set of modules, and they're to be used across the curriculum. They can be used individually or as scaffolding for larger class projects. You can pull these into your LMS or into an existing course.
The modules are universally structured so that they're all the same, whether you use all of the modules or you just want to pull one. The general structure follows an introduction for the module, the learning outcomes followed by the learning objectives, definitions that are going to be important in that particular module, examples, discussion prompts, then we have activities and assessments or assignments, followed by all the resources and references for that module.
So our first module, A, is an introduction to research, providing a way of talking about research, critical thinking, and the process involved, scientific method, and figuring out a research question. In module B, we look at posing the research question, as well as doing literature reviews and citations, and providing some theoretical and conceptual framework for the project.
Module 2 moves into research methodology and design. This module is going to cover both quantitative and qualitative research. So we want to make sure that this maintains the interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary aspect by covering all different types of research and data, then moves into writing the methods section for the project.
In Module 3, we look at data collection, management, and analysis, and analyzing what kind of data sources, methods for collection, as well as the analysis, both the qualitative and quantitative data, as well as how to present your results.
Module 4 covers discussion and abstracts. So the discussion section be topics like limitations of the study, weaknesses and strengths of the study or research that you've done, and then talking about the implications of the findings. It'll also cover abstracts and artistic statements.
And Module 5 is about bringing everything all together here. Part of the scholarly process is the presentation and communication of the results. So in this module, we look at the different types of presentations that you can be used to communicate results, such as research papers, oral presentations, posters, as well as creative outputs for the arts and literature.
So to access the curriculum via the OpenNCCC website, you'll visit the website. If you have an account already, sign in. If not, make sure that you register for an account. At this point, you will, at the top, select Groups, see All Groups, and then search for Undergraduate Research Group. You'll click Request to Join, and then access will be granted once an administrator approves your request.